So in this video, I'm going to be showing you simply how to download the Dodo Webview app on your device. Now, Dodo Webview app is actually an iOS app that is designed to provide a clean, secure, and full screen browsing experience, acting as an embedded browser for specific web content. So in order for you to actually download it on your device, you need to simply go to your Play Store like this and search for it. So you can go ahead and search for Dodo Webview. Go ahead and search for it like this. Now if you search for it like this and you're not seeing it, and you also search for Dodo app like this, yet you're not seeing the app on your Google Play Store, so this is what you need to know. This app has been released globally in many regions. So if you're not yet seeing it, just as me here on your Google Play Store, it actually means that it has not been rolled out yet on my region and in your region as well. So in order for you to actually access the app, you can actually go to your web browser and search for dodopayments.com, and you'll be able to use the app by logging into your own account or creating an account for yourself. So that is the only way you can actually do this for now. So for iPhone device, you can actually get access to this app easily because it is on your Apple Store. And for Android device, you might be finding it difficult to get it, especially from some regions. It has been distributed in so many regions like India and some other countries. So if you're not seeing it on yours, you just need to be patient. It is gradually rolling out, and sooner or later it is going to be available on the Play Store. So if it is now available on Play Store, I'm going to make another video showing you guys that it's now available on your Play Store. So this is how simple it is to download the Dodo Webview by going to your Play Store and searching for it and installing it on your device. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.